Number 1 asks us to find the value of x, express it in simplest radical form. Both A and B are just right triangles, so all you are going to do is setting up Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Notice here that your a is 6, your b is y, and your c is the square root of 85. When you make that substitution, make sure you put it in the parentheses, so it's parentheses square root 85. The reason why is because the square and the square root should cancel, leaving you with an equal 85 on the right hand side. Minusing 36 to both sides, you get y squared is equal to 49. Once you square root both sides, you take the positive root, y is equal to 7. B, it's the same idea here. It is a right triangle. So you're setting up the same Pythagorean theorem. But now notice that the y is the hypotenuse. The same substitution, make sure you put in a parentheses. The square and the square root will cancel. Square root of 19 squared will cancel, making it just 19. 81 plus 19 is 100. Square rooting 100 is just 10. That is just what y is.